Everything is going fine and nothing wrong with us. But the strong wind, I realized that the strong wind wants to push my drone, and this is something like this. Almost gonna fall down, then you straighten it back, and suddenly the sign say warning strong wind. I could not manage to make it, but luckily I managed to make it. Then I let the drone hold still, then wait for the strong wind to go away first. Then strong wind was gone. Then I had to go back and then take my drone. I was so lucky that I could get my drone back.